Hello guys, I am Mirza Abrabe. Today I am showing a battle between Beyblade Legends Lightning ldrago 100 whole flat versus customizable Leon Flame Leon with 100 track and metal flat tip. We are using light launchers for battle. Now the battle begins. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Leon won. So now round 2. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, what a shot. Leon won again. Oh, sorry. Round 3. Oh, the shot. Lightning ldrago 1 point. Round 4. Start. Leon won again. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure you like this video, please share and please subscribe.